Hi everyone. Myself, Dr. Sangmesh Italimat, Professor, Department of Panchakarma, BVS Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Bagalkot. Here I am going to present a case of effect of Panchakarma treatment in the cerebral atrophy. Introduction. The gradual loss of brain tissue and the cells is known as cerebral atrophy, and it might lead the brain to shrink along with a number of neurological and cognitive impairments. Although the brain atrophy is a normal part of aging, significant or accelerated atrophy can be attributed to a number of ailments, such as neurodegenerative diseases. This shrinkage can occur in a specific brain regions that's called as a focal atrophy, or it may involve the entire brain that is called as a generalized atrophy. And it impacts a range of cognitive, motor, and functional abilities in the patients. Causes includes Alzheimer's disease, cerebral palsy, which can impair the motor control, senile dementia, disorders involving the progressive destruction of brain nerve cells, genetic disorders that results in accumulation of toxic levels of proteins in neurons, infections that destroy the neuron cells, etc. Vata is a linked, Vata is in the body is linked to the nervous system. As per the Vata Vadi Chikitsa, the treatment of cerebral atrophy involves nourishing the body with snigdha dravyas because atrophy is frequent in old age and which is a time of Vata aggravation. Ayurveda states that majja is a substance that makes up the brain. Majja that is found inside the sthulasthi is majja, and the majja that is found inside the mastishka is mastulunga. Dallana commented that the ghee-like material present in the mastishka is mastaka majja or mastulunga. Majja dhatu is associated with the entire nervous system, so cerebral atrophy is considered as a majja dhatu kshaya. Therefore, here an attempt is made to discuss cerebral atrophy, visited our hospital, and understand the cerebral atrophy from both modern and Ayurvedic concepts and its management from the Ayurvedic point of view. Yes, a 62-year married male of 59 kg and a height of 5 feet 2 inches came to our OPD of Panchakarma. His chief complaints were loss of balance while walking, anxiety, reduced coordination in the extremities, and feeling of darkness in front of eyes while getting up from the bed. All these symptoms were since from 1 month. His associated complaints were generalized weakness since from also 1 month. He had no history of hypertension, ischemic heart disease, or type 2 diabetes mellitus. History of present illness. Patient was apparently normal since 1 month back. Then he gradually developed above said symptoms. Then he visited the local hospital. There he has been underwent the investigation like CT brain. And in CT brain, it has been found that he had the atrophic changes in the brain. And he has been finally diagnosed as cerebral atrophy. He has been treated there for in private hospital for 1 month. But due to the less response from the treatment, he visited our hospital for the further management. On visitation to our hospital to our OPD, after examination, it was found that this person had the Vata Prakopa, which controls the motor and sensory activities in the body. Majja Dhatu is associated with the entire nervous system, so cerebral atrophy may be considered as a Majja Dhatu Ksha. Replacement of uh, Majja, the Majja Dhatu is a main step of this case. So the Shirobasti and Matra Basti treatments were planned for this case. The treatment for given was Shirobasti with the Brahmi Taila for 14 days, Matra Basti with Kshirovala Taila 40 ml for 14 days. Results and discussion. After 14 days of treatment, all the symptoms in the patient got reduced. The patient was very happy and confident. According to Shishruta, Shirobasti is considered as a Mastishka and the say and Harana Chandra added this Shirobasti as that it does Shiro Shodhana. Thus, it is helpful for clearing and nourishing the srotases in the brain, thus nourishing the brain tissue. Brahmi Taila used here for the Shirobasti, it does the nourishment to the brain tissue, it reduces the giddiness, reduces stress and anxiety, and also improving the coordination in the extremities. Matra Basti holds a particular place among all the Basti and is highly regarded for its ability to uh, administer at any moment. Sneha in the Matra Basti was very minimal. According to Acharya Charaka, Basti Vataharanam means Basti is the greatest treatment for the Vata. Conclusion: cerebral atrophy is a disorder that likely to be incurable, but Ayurvedic treatment can manage it in a better and play a significant part in easing its symptoms. Additional research required on how Ayurvedic medications affect the neurological conditions. Thank you, and all. And I'm very much thankful to the management of DGM Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Gadar. And also, I'm very much thankful to the Dr. Santosh and Balgadi sir, the principal, DGM Ayurvedic College and Hospital. And also, I'm very much thankful to the whole team of the Chaitanya for giving me an opportunity to present this case. Thank you, and all.